how to make birthday story on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. To start with, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap the plus icon located at the bottom and choose the story tab at the bottom. Then click on create from the left side of the screen. After that, type happy birthday in the text box. At this stage, you can style your text and also add animation if you want. Now to change the color of the text, click on the color icon and choose the color you prefer. After that, hit done. Following this, click on the color icon again at the top. This will change the background color. After that, click on the sticker icon at the top. From the sticker option, select photo and add a picture of the birthday person. Again, click on the sticker icon at the top and select mention. Here, enter the name of the birthday person and tag the person to make them feel special. Then write a birthday message. Additionally, you can also add fun emojis. Finally, hit your story at the bottom and your birthday post will be uploaded. And that's it. I hope this video helped.